y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Howdy. Guess what we're going to talk about today?
The great state of Texas.
Blade Show, Texas, baby. We are a week away from Blade Show, Texas. Guess what? We are exhibiting there for the first time this year. Booth number
815.
815. When you walk in,
Right next to Demco.
Yeah, so go see Demco, come see us. But we'll be over in the booth part on the right-hand side. So first time exhibiting there, so make sure you come by and see us. We are excited. So today we're gonna talk to you guys a little bit about what you can expect and give you some little tips for coming by and seeing us.
But first, we should talk about this lovely shirt you have on.
Bless your heart. Look at my Knoxy boy, my cowboy Knoxy. Oh my gosh.
So,
what did you say?
A lot of you know we lost Knox about a month ago, so this is our tribute to him. We came up with a shirt design that
so much.
It's kind of Texas themed, but it has his face on it because he is our brand.
He's our little
helped build this
mascot.
brand. Yes. So we've used him on a lot of things over the years. Yeah. So now we're using him on shirts. She has that one. I have one that says tougher than a $2 steak. Because nothing's more Texas than that. So yeah, we'll have these at the show.
Yep.
We just got these, so we'll have these available. And then we have some really cool knives we're bringing. And on top of that, we have a lot of surprises for you, like maybe surprise guests, maybe some surprise products. We'll see. Can't elaborate too much yet. And then we're going to have giveaway stuff. We'll have tons of swag. We have a lot of stuff we're bringing.
Plus, we'll be there.
Yeah, plus you get to see us.
I am so excited. If you are in or around the Texas area, or even if you're not and you have a couple days off next week, Blade Show Texas is one of our favorite shows.
It is by far.
Blade Show Atlanta is huge. It's a lot. Like, it is a fantastic show, but it can be a little stressful.
It's overwhelming.
It's overwhelming.
Yeah, Texas is quite a bit smaller, but
yeah.
Fort Worth is such a great place.
So fun.
It's at the Fort Worth Convention Center.
The Blade Show team, they have just killed it on this show because you have about 420 exhibitors. It's a little less than half the size of Blade Show Atlanta, but it is quality brands, makers, companies that are there. And it's Texas. It's so fun.
It's a great time.
So that show is Friday and Saturday, March.
It's only 2 days. It's not a Sunday. Yeah.
I think. Make sure you come out to Texas if you can. We are going to take a few exclusives with us. What do we got going first?
First is not an exclusive, but it is a knife that we saved a few because we haven't seen these in a couple of years. It's the Medford Praetorian Ti. Medford's most famous knife. I mean, it's by far the best seller.
Big Daddy.
He previously discontinued it for a while, brought it back, and we had some that came in this week. We're bringing some of these with us. So
I love this one. This one is the diamond head sculpting.
Yeah.
So they're all sculpted, the ones that we have, all with the Vulcan blade.
Yeah,
which are the most
so
popular.
These are hard to get, so we thought we'd bring some of these. These are super cool. We have some Chaves that we just got in. We have the Dissident OTF, which is super hard to get from Chaves. We have our exclusive crystal tie inlay, magnetic inlay, full tie integral, Redencion 229. That's a lot. That's a lot to say.
Yeah,
both of these Chaves will be at the show. We'll have both of these for sale. We've got some other exclusives like, gosh, our McNeese Dixon EKcamo version, which is really cool. I love this. This knife. It's one of my favorites. We've showed it off before, but we're actually bringing some of these. So the one we showed off was actually mine personally.
Also, Chaves will be at the show as well. So if you're a Chaves fan, you make sure you stop by their booth as well. They will probably have some of the stuff, but they will not have the crystal tie. So that's exclusive to us. McNeese will also be at the show. So make sure you stop by and see Amy and Jonathan for sure. Two brands that will not be at the show that we have exclusives with that we're bringing. First off, we have the Midnight Bloom from Spartan Blades. This is the Spartan Harsey folder, the SHF. This one we dropped about 2 months ago and they sold out like that, especially in the Damascus version. So we saved a couple just for you guys in Texas. So if you did not get one and you were wanting one of the Midnight Bloom SHF folders from Spartan, we will have some of those there.
And then we are debuting our Eklipse Non-Flipper exclusive. We dropped them about a month ago. We did not have the Battle Black versions yet. The others sold out already, but now we have Battle Black versions that we are dropping at the show first. So before we ever drop them online on our store, we're bringing them to Texas. If you're a Hinderer fan, if you like the non-flipper version of the Eklipse, we are the only company to do it with them so far. We will have them there, and we have a lot of options. We have micarta, we have G10, we have titanium, battle green, bronze.
So the titanium, the battle green and bronze ones will be battle black blade. However, they will be both sides. The green and bronze camo finish. On the micarta and G10, you will have the battle black lock sides. So, and I think we also have some
solid
smooth,
black titanium.
Yeah,
so
battle
solid
black
DLC titanium.
Yeah.
So we have completely murdered out titanium non-flippers.
I haven't even looked at those yet.
They're sweet.
They look
yeah,
so
they're
good.
just solid black. We'll bring in a lot of the Hinderer Eklipse non-flippers with us. So we'll have those on hand.
So those are dropping there first. If you are wanting one of the battle black Eklipse non-flippers, Late Show, Texas. They'll be first come, first served.
We have a few others too that were in the stores. We'll have quite a few non-flipper Eclipses. So if you didn't get one on the first drop, even if it was a stonewash, we may have it. So come see us. We have a lot of other exclusives we're bringing. We didn't list them all out here, but we wanted to give you guys a look at a few things that we're bringing. And then we'll have lots of surprises. We're doing some free giveaway stuff. We're doing some gift card stuff. Like we're doing a lot of different things. So if you'll come by our booth and check us out, we'll let you in on what we're doing. And
first 25 people to come by the booth and make a purchase will get a gift card to the store. So
yeah, so come check us out.
Come buy
something, you're getting a gift card to be able to buy some more stuff.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Yep.
I like it.
And if you have kids, bring your kids by. We're gonna have some stuff for the kids as well. We might have some toys.
I got all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we got a bag of
I
treats.
went crazy ordering stuff. So yes, please bring the kids by. We've got all kinds of goodies, some little candies and swords and everything. And you mentioned that we might have celebrity knife appearances. Guest appearances.
We might have a celeb or two in the house. We might have a visit from someone.
Yeah. So make sure that you are following along on social media so you can see all the behind the scenes. You can keep up with what we actually will have going on each day, because we'll definitely make sure that we update you guys, let you know who's there, what time they'll be there, any special lotteries, anything like that we have going on.
It's possible we'll have a surprise maker and lottery, so we'll see. Just stay tuned. Keep watching our social media, like she said. We'll let you know.
But I want to see below, who do you think that special guest might possibly could maybe be?
Yeah.
Just throw it out there. I'd love to see your guesses on that.
And if there's anything in particular you want us to bring from our store that you've been trying to get your hands on that you can't,
or you just want to see and hold,
in person, we're bringing a lot of stuff, but we obviously can't bring everything. But if you'll let us know in the comments, like, hey, I'm going to be there, will you bring some of these? We'll bring them. So just let us know what it is. Just make sure you reply fairly quickly so we can have a chance to grab it.
The hardest part for us doing a show, it's not all the work going into it. It's trying to figure out what inventory to bring, since we carry so many brands, so many models. We try to have things there that
the company that made
them won't have. Things like that. So yeah, let us know if there's something specific we can bring for you.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
We'll have our Knoxy shirts.
We're ready.
Excited. This I'm most excited about.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get our cowboy boots on, our cowboy hats, get ready, and we'll see y'all next week. And go do the blows.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Leave comments below. Tell us what you want us to bring. Follow us on social media. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, have a nice day.
Texas, where we still riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a